Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes. Hi, how are you? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today's video is going to be a drugstore haul. I feel like I haven't done a haul in a long time. Also, I just wanted to show you guys what is new, what is up in 2020, what is good at the drugstore. So I have a little CVS haul for you guys, and this is all products from the brands Karity Cosmetics. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard me talk about Karity Cosmetics in the past. I have enjoyed their products. They've sent me PR in the past before, and I am a big fan of their eyeshadow palettes, and especially their lip locks. So today's video is in partnership with Karity Cosmetics to bring awareness to you guys that now you can shop Karity at your local CVS. I was super excited because I think Karity is a really good affordable brand, but I know sometimes it's not easy to access online. So now that they bring it into CVS, it's like even better. So I'm going to show you guys what I have in here. We have a lot, and I also picked up like 2-3 other things from CVS while I was in there, because you can never just walk out with one thing. So if you guys are interested in seeing what is new at the drugstore, my CVS haul, and all that good stuff, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching, and make sure you subscribe before we start the video. It's free, so subscribe. Okay, let's dig in here, shall we? So the first thing that I'm going to pull out here is something that, like I said, I bought while I was in CVS. This is the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. This just eliminates cuticles in just 15 seconds. I have been doing my own, or I've been trying to do my own nails at home. These are polygel nails, and I have a lot of excess cuticle because I went forever without doing my nails or without curing my cuticles. So I picked this up because I've seen so many people rave about that. I have here 3 different palettes from Karity Cosmetics. So let's open them up and show you guys a few swatches, and let's just take a look into the palette. I'm really excited for this one because I had not seen this one, and I mean, obviously nude and beige, it just screams warms. So this is the first palette. This is the Picante palette, and if you guys don't know what Picante means, it just means spicy. And this one is a 21 warm and vibrant eyeshadow palette. It has all the names on the back here, and then when you open it, it is absolutely stunning. It comes with a little protection sheet to protect your shadow from breaking and from like transferring to each other. As you can see, this one is just full of warm colors. You have all your like lighter tones up here, mustards and oranges and light oranges, golds. This gold right here is one of my favorite shades. And then you have your deeper tones as you get down here. This palette is just perfect for a warm tone lover like me, like you guys, but you also get a little bit of color with a little bit of the purples, but they're still in the warm tone family. So let's do a little bit of swatches on this one. So I'm going to take the shade Sunrise. Yeah, that is stunning. It's like a gold, like a marigold. I'm going to take my favorite shade from the palette, which is called Embers. And this one is a true yellow gold. Look at that one. I'm going to swatch Bittersweet, which is one of my favorite shades. It's the deepest, like a burgundy brown. Look at that. That is so pretty. Let's take Flamenco, which is this really pretty burnt orange. Oh, I love these shades. And let's take one of the like more purple ones. Let's take Passion and Sass. So this is Passion. And this is Sass. really pretty lighter lilac. Let's do the next one. This is the Come As You Are. This one is very strange. I think I also did a tutorial with this one. I don't have it anymore because my sister really liked the colors in this palette, and I could just tell she wanted it. So I gave it to her, and now I have it again. So I'm lucky to be able to have it. So this is the Come As You Are palettes. It has a cute little alien and a little lightning bolts, and this one is crazy. I think this is like the craziest palette that I have ever used from Karity Cosmetics. As you can see, like, which one catches your eye? Yeah, this one. This one is called Psych. So let's swatch the shade Psych. There it is. Let's swatch the shade Dank because it is a really pretty, like, an olive green. I love these shades, especially if you have brown eyes. I feel like these complement you so well. That is Dank. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Duh. Let's swatch this one. That is literally what it's called. Duh. I love the names in this palette. They just go with the theme of the palette. Duh. Wow, she is pigmented. Okay, let's swatch Tattletale, which this one would go really pretty with Duh. Ooh, she is cute. She is duochrome. Do you guys see that? And let's grab Nude. So this is the palette, or what the palette comes in. Honestly, I kind of get like KKW vibes when I see this palette. And I'm not even complaining because I love KKW and Karity Cosmetics. So let's see what this one's all about. Packaging on the actual palette is the same. This one you get 15 eyeshadows. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god. This is perfect for a wedding, you guys. If you're getting married, if you are a makeup artist or a freelance makeup artist and you do bridal work a lot, this one is perfect. Oh my god. Even with the outfit that I'm wearing right now, this is a vibe. Let's do some swatches really quick. Let me swatch Pixie Dust, which is this really pretty like gray mauve color. Ooh, okay, she is light. Like, it's a very pretty, like, soft, dusty rose. Obviously, these colors are, like, totally me. So let's go into, oh, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this one because I'm going to butcher the name. Oh, these feel so buttery. Oh, she's cute. Let's swatch Butterscotch. This one just looks so yummy. It's a really pretty caramel brown. Ooh, that is stunning. I have to use this palette like ASAP. I might actually do a drugstore makeup tutorial since these are at the drugstore now. But yeah, this palette is definitely one of my favorites besides the Picante because obviously warm tones. Hello. Really quickly, I'm going to show you guys the two items that I also picked up. So I saw that they had these on sale. They had them buy one, get one free, and I just couldn't pass up the deal. You do have to buy one for a regular price, and then you get the other one for free, though. Like, you can't go wrong. These are the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighters. This one is in the shade Champagne. And again, I got a free one, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to save this one for a future giveaway because I don't need both of the shades. But this is a gorgeous gold. Oh my god. This feels so creamy. What the heck? Oh my god, I wish you guys could feel this. It almost feels like those jelly highlighters, but wow, I had not felt the formula on this. It literally feels like butter highlighter. I'm shook. And look at how pretty it looks. Like, it doesn't look like a highlighter. It just looks like your skin is wet. So let me apply a little bit, even though I have so much highlighter on. Oh my gosh. I like her. Now let's get to the really exciting part. lipstick swatches. I'm not going to swatch these on my lips. I'm just going to do backhand swatches so you guys can see like the creaminess and the pigmentation and obviously the color, because hello nudes. This one is a little bit brave. It's in olive green, which is totally not my usual vibe, but you know what? It's 2020 and we're trying out new things. Let's start the lip swatching party. So I'm going to start with the shade Soho. This one is a deep plum and I actually already have this lip lock. So I'm just going to use mine. And again, I might add this to a future giveaway. So I don't want to open it if I don't need to. But this shade, okay, what I'm telling you, I don't use plums or dark colors. I don't use them. I am a nude girl through and through, but this is probably one of my favorite shades that I own. It is just so dark and vampy, and the color payoff is amazing. Perfect right now for the winter times. Now this one is actually a 90s edition. This is the matte 90s edition. I've used this lip color before. I also own it. This is the shade Pretty Fly, and it is a gorgeous nude brown. If you love the 90s, you're gonna love this color. Just check it out. This is perfect for any brown nude lover. This is, oh, I love this shade. It is absolutely stunning, you guys, and it looks so pretty on so many different skin tones. The next shade is in the 212, which is a dark brown. I also have this one. I don't think I've used this one, which, let's see if after today I will actually get to use it. I suck with changing lip colors. I'm always stuck on the same ones. Ooh, that is pretty. This one and this one combined will look so pretty if you use this one as a lip liner and then you use this one on the center. The next shades that we're about to swatch are shades that I personally don't own, that I've never seen. So I've already seen some that I'm like eyeing, that I know that I'm going to love. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to take the shade Dunk. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing these are newer because I can tell a difference in the wand. This wand is a little more flat. Do you guys see that? The other ones that I was just using, they almost have like a little curve to them. Ooh. That is a pretty shade. It's like a deep mauve. I don't typically wear these colors, but I told myself that I need to like step out of my comfort zone, out of the nudes, and wear more mauve colors. So I'm excited about this shade. The next shade here is called Snuggly, and as you can see, it's a really pretty soft pink. These are colors that, again, I normally don't gravitate towards. That is a true bubblegum pink. The next shade is Olivia, and Olivia is also a like pinky peach color. Ooh, this one's pretty. This one's a little bit more wearable for me. This one also has the new little wand. Next up is the shade Rockstar. This one looks like it's going to be a vampy color. Oh, okay, it's actually different. It looks a little bit darker in here, and it's a little bit lighter. I feel like this is more of a cherry color. Yeah, it's like a brick red, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but it is a really pretty color. Oh my god, I am such an idiot. I wasn't reading the packaging. Okay, so let me back up. So these are glosses. No wonder I was like, wow, these are so shiny. Duh. So Dunk is a gloss. Olivia is a gloss. Yay for glosses. This is another gloss. This is Daisy. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna love this one. That is so pretty. Okay, this one's like a dual chrome gloss. Do you guys see that? Yeah, all those pink reflections. Ooh, I'm excited to swatch this one. So these are the ones that have this type of wand, are the glosses. Oh my god. I wish I wasn't wearing a gloss right now so I could wear this on top. This has the prettiest pink little reflex. I don't know if you guys can see that, but wow. Next up is a matte liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Fade Out, which is, or it looks like it's a mauve color. Yeah. Ooh, that is stunning. Okay, I like that one. Next up is a gloss, and this is in the shade Zahava. I believe that's how you pronounce it. That is Zahava, which is really, really pretty baby pink. TikTok Boom is a matte liquid lipstick, and this one is more of a burgundy brick red. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, these are the types of colors that I go for in my reds. I either go for a red like this or a true bright red, something similar to this. The last one that I have here is the Crazy Olive Green. This one is called Matcha Gracias. That is so clever. So I'm not gonna lie, this is a color that I wouldn't wear out, but for those days that I want to do my makeup and I just want to try something new, like I can see myself wearing this for a cute Instagram picture. That is Matcha Gracias, which is a true moss green color. If you're brave enough to wear this, brownie points for you. Brownie points for you. I went ahead and put all my Karity lipsticks in my little acrylic drawer. How satisfying is this? Having just one brand. Look at how pretty all of these are. I am obsessed, and I am so happy that Karity is now at CVS. So make sure that you guys check out your local CVS. I will have a store locator link down below where you can just enter your zip code and find out where or what CVS nearest you now carries Karity Cosmetics. Karity Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoyed this drugstore CVS haul, and definitely let me know what your favorite lip shade or what your favorite palette was, because I just love them all equally. So thank you guys for joining me today. Have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!